Samsung's playing catch-up this year. It's already November, and we're still waiting on the first beta of Android 15, One UI 7.0. But there's some good news. One UI 8.0 might drop much sooner in 2025, thanks to Google's updated timeline for Android 16. Here's the scoop. Google confirmed that Android 16 will roll out earlier than usual, hitting in the second quarter of 2025, 3 months ahead of the typical schedule. That means the stable version could land in June 2025. Following that pattern, Samsung might push One UI 8.0 out between July and September 2025, just in time to align with its major smartphone launches. Expect the Pixel 10 series and Samsung's next-gen foldables, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, to come preloaded with Android 16. But that's not all. Google's also planning 2 Android releases in 2025. The first will be the big Android 16 drop in Quarter 2, and the second will follow in Quarter 4, packed with feature updates, optimizations, and bug fixes. The real question: what Google will call that second update, Android 16.1 or maybe even 16.5. Either way, Samsung will likely follow suit with One UI 8.1 before the year wraps up. Looks like 2025 could be a busy year for Android updates. Apart from this, the Z Flip 7 might take a bold step by adopting Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 chip, moving away from Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors. A well-known source of Samsung leaks, Jukan on X, has just shared more details about the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip FE and the premium Galaxy Z Flip 7. According to Jukan, the Galaxy Z Flip FE will come with the Exynos 2400E chip, the same processor powering the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. On the other hand, the more premium Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to be packed with the upcoming Exynos 2500 chip, a chip that Samsung has confirmed exists, though not much is known about it yet. Some leaks have suggested that the Z Flip 7 could use the Exynos 2400 chip instead, but Jukan says that's not the case. As for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the news of the Exynos 2500 chip isn't all that surprising either. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S25 lineup will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which could mean Samsung is reserving its next-gen Exynos 2500 for its foldable devices. This also makes sense if the Exynos 2500 is facing some yield issues, as some reports have suggested. Of course, it's still early days for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and it's hard to say with certainty what direction Samsung will take. We should have more concrete information about Samsung's plans when the Galaxy S25 is unveiled in just a couple of months. So, what do you think? Would you go for the Exynos 2400E variant in the Z Flip Fan Edition, or are you more excited about the potential Exynos 2500 in the Z Flip 7? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.